Alright, I haven't been getting at videos like I usually do, but busy for the holidays. But I thought I'd do a short one today. This is from Bass Pro. This is actually a Cabela's branded product, and it's I think you call them bullet holders. I don't know. This one is designed for 30-06 shells. So 30-06 shells sit in here. Comes with a nice little top that you can put on, and it's for people who reload and want to store their ammunition. And these are great. They're exactly the right size for 1/2-inch end mills. So if you're trying to organize your end mills, like I always am, these 1/2-inch shank end mills fit perfectly into these 30-06 spacings, and keeps everything from clanking around and dulling your bits. And so anyway, kind of a cool thing. I think these are $2.99, so they're super cheap. Probably if you tried to buy some equivalent thing from the machinist shop, they'll charge you an arm and a leg for it, but I thought that was pretty good. They also sell a case here for 45 Colt pistol ammunition, 44-45 Colt, and it comes with a hinged lid on it, which isn't going to work any longer once you've put things in it. But for your smaller shanks, these are okay. They're a bit on the short side, but hey, it's better than nothing. And these are 3/8 shank. I think I have some quarter shanks in here. This is a quarter shank. They kind of rattle around in here, but these probably work okay for the 3/8 shank. I just had a bunch of center drills here that I wanted to throw in, but that's pretty cool too. I don't remember what this one costs, but it's not much, and I'm just going to throw away the top. No need for that any longer. This one here is pretty nice though. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 5, so 50. So this one holds 50, and this one holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 again. This one holds 20. So anyway, something to keep you organized.